welcome back to session 4, subject Computer Science, class 2nd standard. Students, are you ready for this session 4? Students, what we learned previous session 3? Yes, we learned control buttons in music player. Okay dears, let us move to today's topic. Students, today's topic also very interesting. Are you ready for this session? Today's topic is nothing but switch on and switch off the computer. It is very interesting. Students, listen carefully. Now we are going to learn how to turn on a computer. First, I give you the steps. You just follow these steps. Step number 1. Find the on button. It probably looks like this, but might be square or be long. Push the button on some computers. The button lights up when the computer is on. Now you need to log in. If you are the only user of your computer, once it's turned on, it may go straight to the desktop. In computing, booting is a process of starting a computer. It can be initiated by a hardware such as a button press or by a software command. After it is switched on, a computer's central processing unit, that is CPU, already you know, has no software in its main memory. So some process must load software into memory before it can be executed. Students, do you understand this? Okay. Next, let us move to reasons for why you should shut off your computer every day. Are you wondering, should I turn off my computer every day? To shut down or leave your computer running has been for debate for as long as the personal computer has been around. Many people leave their computers on for days or even weeks at a time. But is that really a smart choice? No, there are many benefits for shutting down your computer every day. Let us take a look at a few. Students, if you shut down your computer, it can be extended lifespan for you. Even if you use your computer throughout the day and every day, you can help extend the lifespan of your device by shutting down at the end of the night. While it's true that every computer or both laptops and desktops will eventually wear out and need to be repaired or replaced, certain parts are more sensitive to being left off for an extended period of time. For example, laptop's battery life will significantly shorten after about 300 charges cycle, and on LCD panel only has around 15,000 hours, that is 12 years of use. Also, when a computer is on, it generates heat. Okay students, do you understand this? And also improved computer performance. Have you ever left your computer on for days? And do you notice that it's slowing down? So, if your work is over means you must switch off your computer. Next, I am going to tell you how to switch off your computer. Students, are you ready to learn this? Students, just see this figure. This is the step number 1. Click on the start button. This is the step number 2. See this figure. Click on the shutdown button. Students, just see this figure. This is step number 3. Wait for the screen to turn blank. Okay? Students, just see this figure. This is step number 4. Switch off the monitor. And finally, this is the step number 5. Finally, you have to switch off the electricity. Okay? Dears, now I am going to recall you once. Are you ready? First, to start the computer, follow these steps. Step number 1, switch on the main power supply button. Step number 2, switch on the UPS button. Step number 3, switch on the power button of CPU. Step number 4, switch on the monitor button. And finally, welcome screen will come. Okay dears, next I am going to recall you switch off the computer. First, step number 1, take your mouse point to the start button and click it. Step number 2, menu will get open, then click to the turn off button. Step number 3, now we wait for some time. It shows that monitor gets off. Then switch off UPS and finally switch off power supply. Cuties, I hope you all understood the concept. Now let us move to the homework session. Are you ready for the session? Okay dears, take your notebook, write down your answer clearly. Now I am going to share you the question. First, I read down the question. Question is, write down the steps for switch on and off the computer. Students, write down your steps one by one clearly and submit your homework. Okay dears, see you on next session. Thank you.